All right, Chem students, today we're going to talk about solution concentration calculations. You need your blue notes packet and something to write with. Okay, the first one we're going to cover is percent by mass. Now, this one should be familiar. You've kind of done this one before, except this time we're going to do it with a solution. Percent by mass is the mass of the solute that is dissolved divided by the mass of the entire solution times 100. So in our first example, what is the percent by mass of sodium bicarbonate in a solution containing 20 grams of sodium bicarbonate dissolved in 600 grams of water? So let's see what we've got. First, the mass of our solute is 20 grams. Now, the mass of our solution is going to be the solute plus the solvent. In this case, we have 20 grams of sodium bicarbonate and 600 grams of water, so we're going to add those. You can't forget to add these. Don't just put 20 over 600 and think you're done, because the solution is the water plus the solute. Okay, so 20 over 620. So we do that, 20 divided by 620 times 100. Our answer will be 3.23% sodium bicarbonate. Okay, example 2, you have 1,500 grams of a bleach solution, which is an aqueous solution of sodium hypochlorite. The percent by mass of the solute is 3.62%. So how many grams of sodium hypochlorite are in the solution? Now we're going to work backwards. We're going to take our formula that we already know works, and we're going to put a 100 under the percent sign, and we're basically going to solve for x. So this is solute over the mass of the solution. The 100 got put over here, so we solve for this. We plug in our numbers and rearrange, divide both sides by 100, and our answer comes out to be 54.3 grams of sodium hypochlorite. Okay, our next one is molarity. Now, molarity will tell me how many moles of solute there are per liter of the solution. So when they ask for number 1, what is the molarity of a solution containing 0.5 moles of glucose and 2.0 liters of solution? I'm going to start with my formula here. Molarity equals moles divided by liters. And I'm going to plug in the moles, which is 0.5, and the liters, which is 2. And when I do the math there, I get 0.25 molarity, or 0.25 molar. Now, what is the molarity of a solution containing 40 grams of sodium chloride and 700 milliliters of solution? So first, I need to get to moles. So 40 grams of sodium chloride, there's 58.44 grams in 1 mole of sodium chloride. That means I have 0.684 moles of sodium chloride. So I couldn't just plug in the 40. I had to convert the 40 grams to moles. Now I'm going to take my molarity formula. Molarity equals moles divided by liters. I'm going to plug in my numbers, 0.684 moles divided by 0.700 liters. My answer is 0.977 molar. Okay, our last example. How many grams of sodium hypochlorite are dissolved in 3 liters of a 0.128 molar solution? All right, so first thing, I have my molarity formula. Molarity equals moles divided by liters. And I'm going to plug in all the numbers that I've got. So I know the molarity is 0.128. I know there's 3 liters. So basically I'm solving for x, which is the moles. When I plug in and do the math, this will come out to be moles of sodium hypochlorite are 0.38. But that's moles, and they asked me for grams, so you got to be careful with these problems. I'm going to come down here and convert moles to grams. 0.38 moles of sodium hypochlorite. 1 mole of sodium hypochlorite is 74.44 grams. Our answer comes out to be 28 grams of sodium hypochlorite. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. So do the corresponding pages in your practice packet, and we'll see you for the next video.